Mission a reality. Papers to be laid on the table, Sri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 1A in today's revised list of business. Thank you, sir.
Dr. Jitendra Singh.
सभापति से मैं आज की कार्यवली की संख्या नंबर 2 के आगे मेरे नाम के आगे सूचीबद्ध कागजात सभा पटल पर रखता हूं। धन्यवाद सभापति महोदय।
सुश्री शोभा करान लाजे।
Sabapati Mahoday, I rise to lay the papers mentioned against my name in serial number 1C in today's revised list of business.
Sri Kirti Vardhan Singh.
I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers related to the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change as mentioned against my name at point number D of serial number 1 in today's revised list of business.
Srimati Raksha Nikhil Khadse.
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House a copy of Hindi and English version of the papers as shown against my name at serial number 5 in today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance, Dr. Dinesh Sharma.
माननीय उपसभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की कार्यसूची में अपने नाम के समक्ष यथा उल्लेखित वित्त संबंधी स्थायी समिति के 5 प्रतिवेदनों हिंदी और अंग्रेजी संस्करण की एक प्रति सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Statements of the Committee on Welfare of Other Backward Classes, Dr. Kavita Patidar.
माननीय उपसभापति महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सामने यथा सूचीबद्ध अन्य पिछड़ा वर्गों के कल्याण संबंधी समिति के 3रे और 5वें की गई कार्रवाई प्रतिवेदन 8वीं लोकसभा में अंतर्विष्ट टिप्पणियों सिफारिशों पर सरकार द्वारा की गई अंतिम कार्रवाई को दर्शाने वाले 2 विवरणों के हिंदी तथा अंग्रेजी संस्करण की एक प्रति सभा पटल पर रखती हूं।
Motion for election to the Committee on Welfare of Other Backward Classes. Dr. L. Murugan to move a motion for election of 10 members to the Committee on Welfare of Other Backward Classes.
Respected Deputy Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to move that this House resolves that the Rajya Sabha to join the committee of both the Houses on Welfare of Other Backward Classes for the term of 1 year beginning from the date of the first sitting of the committee and proceed to elect in such a manner as directed by the chairman 10 members from amongst the members of the House to serve on the said committee.
Motion moved. Those in favor will please say aye. Aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Statements by ministers. Dr. Jitendra Singh.
Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House status of implementation of recommendations observations contained in the 145th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Personnel, Public Grievances, Law and Justice, demands for grants of the Department of Personnel and Training. Thank you, Chairman, sir.
Dr. Chandrasekhar Pemmasani.
Sir, in pursuance of the direction 35 of the Honorable Chairman Rajya Sabha, I would like to lay statements showing status of implementation of the recommendations and observations contained in the 2nd and 5th report of Standing Committee on Communications and Information Technology on demands for grants 2024 to 2025 pertaining to Department of Posts and Department of Telecommunications, respectively, on the table of the House. Thank you, sir.
Susri Shobha Karanlaje.
Chairman, sir, with your permission, I wish to make the statement regarding the status of implementation of recommendations, observations contained in the 16th report of the department related to Parliamentary Standing Committee on Labour, Textiles and Skill Development on Social Security and Welfare Measures for Interstate Migrant Workers pertaining to the Ministry of Labour and Employment.
Thank you. Honourable members, आप सबसे